Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some filters for your refrigerator. I do a lot of reviews, as you know. I do a lot of reverse osmosis. I do refrigerator filters, and people always ask, what are the differences between the different brands? Denali Pure, HDX, and ICEPURE. Now I use a lot of the ICEPURE myself. HDX is a little bit more of an expensive brand to the big box kind of stores you'll see those in, and Denali Pure is another one of those online filters. Now they are exactly for the exact same refrigerator. They all have the twist and lock technology. You can see the nozzle here. Let me just show you. This is the twist and lock technology. They all have the twist and lock. That way you don't have to shut the water off. Basically, when you pop it out, the water basically shuts off on its own. You pop it back in, and you have to just screw it in like that, basically. So it's a screw-in type of method with no drip and no leaking, which is fantastic. But what are the main differences between these three? They basically seem to do the same thing. Now, they all recommend changing these filters every 6 months, and I agree with that. Sometimes I go 8 months or a year. It depends how much water you drink. If you drink a lot of water, then definitely do it every 6 months. It's a great idea. If you don't drink a lot of water, maybe once a year is okay. It all depends. One time I did it for almost 2 years, and I said, I got to change the filter. It's been too long. So it all depends on what you're doing, how long you've been drinking, how the water tastes, and what do they all have in common? Well, basically, they're all the same. I have to tell you, they really are all the same. They basically all do the same thing. They all do chlorine, taste, odor, things like that. They all do the exact same thing. They all feel about this one feels a lot lighter. Now, I'm not sure. Sometimes different technology, how they use the carbon in these filters depends on that. They're all rated for 6 months. Again, they all have the same rating far as how long it's for, 6 months, 300 gallons, taste, odor, and chlorine, and also ICEPURE. It says it right here very clearly. Flow is it's about the same, 120 psi, it's 300 gallons, lock and unlock, replace every 6 months, and they all have the same thing, taste, odor, and chlorine. So in my book, are there any differences? Not really. Shop price. Don't necessarily shop brand. I would shop price. I think they're all about the same, unless you independently test every single one of these. I mean, they're all, like this one here says USA, made in USA. Okay, that's great. I'm not sure if these are made in USA at all. I don't know. This one says made in Canada. So this one's in Canada. And then this one here does it even say on here? I don't even know where it even says here. I'm not even sure. I don't see where this is made. But I don't know, but it feels, I've been using the ICEPURE for a while, and I actually like them very much. They're good quality products. They stand up, and I replace them, like I said, every 6 months to a year, depending on what you're doing. So this one's for LG and Kenmore. Again, you have to look up your model number. But the question is there any difference? And my answer is not really. I think as long as you can taste the difference in taste, you don't taste the chlorine, you don't smell anything bad. Is it going to take out microplastics? No. Is it going to take out maybe heavy minerals? Probably not. So there's a lot of things it's not going to do, and some things you don't want it to do. You don't want it to remove certain minerals from your water either, because like a reverse osmosis, it removes all the minerals, and then you don't have the benefit of the minerals, and you need to have minerals in your diet. So if you remove all the minerals, then you're taking supplements, so you're really not getting anywhere. But whatever, that's a different thing, and it depends on your water source. Depends on where you're getting your water from. It depends if you have a well water. It's so many variations. But the question is, I think, personally, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a lab technician. I'm not a scientist. I don't know anything about all that. All I know is that I've used all these different brands, and they all taste the same to me. And that's what I have for you guys. So shop price, change them often, and you shouldn't have any issues. And that's what I have for you in this review. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel for more right here. Follow me for more videos just like this to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you. Yes. And check out the channel. I show you how to install these. I show you what I do. I've done all types of videos like that. And to me, they all taste the same. The main thing is that you have to change them. And that's it. All right, guys. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, let me know. Leave me some comments, like, share, and follow.